Hey guys, Wire here. I think we're going to do a clamp here. I don't see too much of these kind of clamps being restored. I think I got 6 of these in different lengths, and they're all in this shape, but they're a little bit different from each other. I'm just going to do one, and the other ones I'll do on my own time. Anyway, guys, this clamp's a little bit different than others. Usually you can set the depth of this, but this just moves up and down on this pipe. And what you do is when you put something in between here, let me get something real quick. Let's use this. When you want to clamp something in here, what you do is you push this all the way up, and then you put pressure on it, and it holds it. This is not a good example, but you get the idea. So what I want to do is I'm going to take this all apart. We're going to clean it up and see if we can get this looking real nice. Well, it doesn't come off this way. It's got to stop down here, but it does come up from up this side. So let me get this all set up, and we'll start working on this. We'll be right back. Okay, I tried wire wheeling this stuff, and this stuff's got paint on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this stuff in the parts washer and degrease it, try to get some of this paint off. In the meantime, while we're waiting for this to soak up, I'm going to try to shine this pipe up. So let me get this taken care of, and I'll be right back, and we'll work on this pipe. Okay guys, we're all done. Turned out really, really nice. Like I said, I got about 4 or 5 of these, I think, around in the basement somewhere that were kind of like in the same shape. I'm going to be doing those probably, I don't know, I might do them next week. I need to get them all up. I'm going to get all my clamps together and put them all out here. I still don't have everything out in this shed. But anyway, this turned out really, really nice and it's brand new. So let's give it a shot. Let's see how this thing works. And what you do, this thing works on hooking this on pressure. So look at that, nice and tight. I really do like these old style clamps. They're really nice and beefy, and once you put something in there, it's in there, believe me. The nice thing about these clamps here is you can put these on any size galvanized pipe that you can get from Home Depot or whatever, and you got different size clamps. You don't have to go out and buy different size clamps for different jobs. Only thing nowadays is this galvanized pipe's pretty expensive. Anyway, fellas, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and we'll see what we're going to do next time. Anyway, guys, have a good one. This is Wire. See ya!